Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix application error 0xc00007b. Well, this problem is very common, sadly, but I have the solution for you, so don't worry. The first thing you have to do is to press the Windows key and you have to find Control Panel. So you press the Control Panel here and you press Programs, and once you're here you have to press the Enable or Disable the Windows settings. This one is the only one with the shield of Run as Administrator, and you have to check every net framework option, like I did. You open a mark, open mark, a mark, press accept, and then you will have to do the next thing. I will send you in the description this file. This file I have created it to fix the problem after the net framework solution. So it's tested that in 90% of the times, it's tested that in 90%, it's tested that in 90% of the times this will work. So check it out on the description and just double click and that's it. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and see you next time in another easy way video. Goodbye.